Do you want to make your product page stand out? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a full slide animation using Canva. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so when you log into your Canva account, you're going to type in video, scroll down to the bottom, create a blank video. Okay, next thing you want to do is type in gradient background. And I am going to choose the color orange. Try to choose a color that in the middle of it is shaded out. So for example, this is a good one. This blue one right here is a good one, and this green up here is a good one. So once that's done, you're gonna drag it the box, fit your canvas. The next thing you want to do, go back to elements, and I'm going to choose, I'm going to type in grilled chicken sandwich. And I am going to click on photos. So I'm going to add this chicken sandwich. I'm going to delete the background. I'm going to make it a little smaller. I'm going to add a rectangle. Or I'm going to change this color to let's try this color here. I'm going to make it change it to a rectangle shape. I'm going to make it smaller. A little smaller. Okay. I'm going to bring this up some. And then I am going to copy and paste this shape, the rectangle shape. I'm going to stick it down here in the corner. I'm going to have two of them. Stick them down here in the corner. Okay. This right here, I am going to I'll make it transparent, see, the rectangle. Then I'm going to group, right click. I'm going to group this together. All right. Then I'm going to make this smaller. And I'm going to drag it in the corner to create my other sandwiches. The next sandwich I'm going to create is this one right here. Okay. I'm going to make this sandwich smaller. I'm going to bring this up here as well. Okay. I'm going to make this transparent, just like I did the other one. Okay. And then I'm going to group these together. And I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to drag it in the corner and choose my next sandwich. Okay, so once you get all your sandwiches that you want, you're going to bring them down here. I'm going to choose this one to make this one the biggest because this one looks the most delicious to me. And I'm going to bring the other two on the side of it. Okay. And let's make sure that the other two are about the same size. All right. So look about right. Okay, make this bigger. I'm going to bring these on the side. Okay. I want to make sure these are the same height. All right. Okay. Well, that's a little bigger. Okay, guys. The next thing you want to do is click on the chicken sandwich in the center. Go to animate. Go to stump. Okay, and then click on the left chicken sandwich and scroll to the left. We're still animating. We're going to click on rotate, and then we're going to go to the other one and click on rotate. Okay, the next thing we want to do is scroll back up. We're going to go to baseline. Okay, we're going to click the right arrow. We're going to speed it up, reduce the speed. Okay, Then we're going to click on this one. We're going to click on baseline. Click on the left arrow and reduce the speed. Okay guys, so let's play it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're excited to use Canva to create a food slide animation that makes your product page or your video pages shine. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and turn on your notification button. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.